Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
LET apostrophe SGO.
Hi everyone! Today we want to talk about our last vacation. I'm Clarinisa. My study number is 642508090.
And I'm Nadia. My study number is 642511103.
We are from Bina Sarana Informatika University, class 64.1B.24.
We went on a short vacation to Puncak Halimun in Bogor, which is about 1,658 meters above sea level.
Yes, and even though we went with two of our friends, Nadia and I rode one motorcycle together all the way to the mountain.
Honestly, it was tiring but also really exciting. The air was cold, the road was challenging, and the view was amazing.
Do you remember when we were still planning the trip?
Of course, you said, how about going somewhere cool and quiet? And I immediately thought about Halimun.
Right, I also said maybe we should go to the mountains instead of the beach. I want fresh air, not crowds.
And I agree. I remember saying, let's go early in the morning to avoid traffic. That was a good decision.
The motorcycle ride was the hardest part.
True, the road was narrow and sometimes foggy. At one point, I said, we need to slow down and be careful.
Yes, and I told you, don't rush, enjoy the journey. That's an imperative sentence, by the way.
Right. Also, before leaving, I suggested we should check the motorcycle condition to make sure it's safe.
Good thing we did it. I also said, remember to bring warm jacket and gloves.
When we finally arrived, I was speechless.
Same, the view from the top was incredible. You could see forests, clouds, and mountains everywhere.
I remember saying, let's take a short break and enjoy the scenery.
Yes, and I replied, maybe we should take photos before the fog gets thicker.
That was smart idea. The fog came really fast.
After that, we were really hungry.
Yes, and I suggested, how about eating instant noodles and hot tea?
Best suggestion ever. I also said sit down and rest for a while.
That moment was so peaceful, no noises, no stress.
By the way, Nat, we almost forget to mention something important.
Oh yes, the weather. It suddenly changed when we were halfway up.
Exactly. It was sunny at first, but then it started to drizzle.
I remember telling you, maybe we should stop for a moment and wear our raincoats.
And I answered, yes, let's stop here to stay safe.
Good thing we brought raincoats. It taught us to always be prepared to unexpected situation.
Do you remember when we were confused about the direction?
Yes, we almost to the wrong road.
You said, let's ask the local people to make sure we're on the right path.
And they helped a lot. The locals were very friendly and helpful.
They even suggested you should follow this road because it's safer for motorcycle.
That equals really save our time and energy.
Another thing I liked was the small moments.
Like when we stopped just to stretch our legs.
Yes, and I said, take a deep breath and enjoy the fresh air.
That moment felt really calming. It reminded me to slow down and appreciate nature.
We also laughed a lot during the trip.
especially when our motorcycle struggled on the steep road.
I remember saying, "Come on, you can do it."
Arthur, that made the trip more fun.
The trip was not just about traveling.
Yes, it also taught us responsibility.
For example, we need to manage our energy to stay focused while riding.
It's better to take short breaks than to force ourselves.
I totally agree. Safety should always come first.
That's why I would suggest don't underestimate a short trip.
Looking back, I think the trip taught us many things.
I agree. For example, if someone wants together, they should prepare physically and mentally.
Yes, also, it's important to bring enough supplies.
And I would say try to go with someone you trust. Riding a motorcycle to the mountains is not easy.
Exactly. And don't forget, always respect nature and keep the place clean.
Okay.
So, if you go there again, what would you suggest?
Maybe we should stay overnight next time to enjoy the sunrise.
That sounds great. And I would say let's plan better and invite more friends.
But still, riding together like that was unforgettable.
Definitely, it was one of our best vacation.
Yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching our story.
We hope enjoy it.
See you next time.
Bye bye.